my darling. Oh no, life has been so wonderful. Yeah, so busy. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, guys, it's choppy chop, ne? Yeah, Thatha, yeah, cleaner, and yeah, comba. Yeah, my friend, kutuzala kuzelula kaloku, yeah. And then, chop chop, sambe. Yeah, my darling. Ah, nothing hectic. Nothing hectic. Yeah, otherwise, no, it's just keeping it 100. Yeah. Yeah, no. Otherwise, yeah, how are the kids? Yes, my darling, we're still living large. Yeah. And so, Chan, you're doing well. Yeah. Oh, guys. Wonderful. Well done. A job well done. Bachana, I know. It even smells wonderful in this house. Ah, beautiful.